So a while back, I was getting advertisements for a plugin called Full Access for Final Cut Pro X. It was like $99, 95% off for all their plugins. I've been using it for a good amount of months now, and I gotta say, it is absolutely incredible. So in this video, I was just going to walk through and show you what you get with Full Access. The great thing about it is it really makes doing effects a lot easier. So I'll just kind of go through a couple of their installed effects. So like right here, doing 3D, you got your X, Y, and Z. Makes it very easy to turn it into 3D space. Next one is desktop windows, and I'll just show you guys a few of them. As you can see, there is a lot of different effects. So it makes it very easy to create cool like desktop window stuff. And the best part is it gives you a lot of creative control. So over here, you got the handheld amount, the speed, the position of the window screen, the scale. You can have scale in, scale out. So if you turn off scale out, it will scale in. It won't scale out. You can even change the color of the background. You got some cool glass overlays and plenty more. Not only that, you also have cool transitions for it. Same thing, you just grab it, drag it right over, and play it. Have a lot of different settings you can change on it. Ones that I use all the time is the fast shift. This is what it looks like. We come over to titles. There's also a lot more. So you got 3D camera tiles. You have an adjustment layer, cool different design elements. This one saves a lot of time. It's an iMessage simulator. So if you're ever trying to do like an iPhone text message thing, this makes it very easy. Then you have Instagram Profile Pro, search engine, and then you even have things for YouTube. So YouTube subscribe, you can have your channel or video from your channel play, and different arrows. That's just a few of these. It comes with a lot of different options, and you even have more in the generators. You have more search bars, more YouTube stuff. You got the bell, channel, subscribe, thumbs up. There's different background options, end cards. Just a lot of really cool things that makes editing much easier with these cool effects. Different social medias, so email, Facebook, Instagram. So that's it for my walkthrough of Full Access. I use it all the time, so I thought this would be cool to make a video about. So I paid, I believe it was $99. Looks like right now they actually have a checkout code. Using the code Santa20, you can actually get it for $79.20. That's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it, especially before the New Year's. It's absolutely incredible. I have a lot of video ideas for 2024, and thank you for watching.